Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making potatoes bread. Look at it with some baked moi moi. And these are the ingredients we'll be using: the potatoes itself, 5½ all-purpose flour, a scant half cup sugar, a tablespoon salt, a tablespoon yeast, a half cup butter, 1 egg, and 1½ cup milk, and that is it. So now let's do it. We're going to be warming our milk, so we add our sugar to the warm milk. Then we're going to be adding salt after that. So add the salt. Then we're going to be adding the melted butter. We have to melt the butter here. So everything here should be warm. So we add the egg afterwards. Mix together thoroughly. Then we're going to be adding the yeast. 1 tablespoon yeast, because we are making 5½ cup all-purpose flour and 3 potatoes, cooked potatoes. So after doing this, we're going to be adding the mashed potato. The potato we mashed, we're going to be adding it. And after adding it, we add the all-purpose flour too. We mix together thoroughly. Let's combine. So now it's time for the hard chop. You transfer to a well floured surface where you're going to be kneading. So I'm going to transfer here, and I'm going to be kneading this for nothing less than 8 minutes. You can use within 8 to 10 minutes. It should be done. So I'm going to do this back and forth. At the beginning it's going to be sticking to your hand, but as you keep on doing it, it will get better until you reach that consistency. You're going to know when you start removing, it starts getting away from your hand itself. I think it's getting better, and you can see now it's ready. So you transfer into a well greased bowl and cover for an hour or two. As you keep in a warm space. So when it's after an hour, you can see when you put your hand, dip your hand inside and the hand stays, then it's ready. So you transfer and cut. So I'm going to be rolling this, making it form like a rectangle. Then I'm going to be putting into the bread pan afterwards. So you do this, make sure you form the shape you want, and then you put it into the bread pan. You let it, you give it like 10 minutes or more to rise again. Cover it, put it somewhere. And now the other half, I'm going to be making it into like buns shape. Then you cut into 6 or 7. So I cut this into 7 and I roll it to form this circular ball. So I'm going to be making this with air fryer. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this. We are going to be trying this experiment together, and let's see if it's coming out well. So they don't give me 325. I had to increase it to 350. I think that is where I got it wrong. So we preheated the air fryer for 2 minutes, and we're going to be baking for 13 minutes. Let's see if it works. So here is it. You have to coat this with egg to give this that shiny face. So after doing this, I'm going to be baking for 30 minutes. Now let's see what's going to happen next. So let's dress it and put it in the oven. This is going to take 350 temperature and takes 40 minutes to bake. So it's 15 minutes and our baked bread is ready. Unfortunately, it's not fully ready. You still have to return it back, and I'm going to be returning it back now for it to stay for another 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we're going to see what will happen. So I'm going to be using normal temperature this time, 325. So, and here is the bread. It's ready, and let's see if it is fully ready or it's just a fake. So I think it's ready right now. Yeah, it's ready. It's quite ready, and that is it. And our oven baked one is here too. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.